So there is another hook in a React which is use effect. So how is it use it? So the use effect hook allow to perform a side effects in your component, just like you need to fetch data or directly updating to the DOM and timers. Okay, so there are two argument that pass inside the use effect. The second argument is a optional. Okay, we discuss in a this dependency and function. The inside this use effect you can pass two things, function and dependency. First you need to use how to use it, use effect for the simple counter function. Okay, so the first initial state is 0 and after that you set count after a particular delay time. As you can see, we pass a set timeout inside the use effect. If you need to call APIs or fetch data, you can use inside the use effect after they working in a React. Okay, and the second things are dependency also. If you're not passing any dependency, just like this where a mark the run every render, it means to say your code is running every time. Okay, and you pass the empty array, the run only one the first render, only one time render, like your APIs or set timeout. Okay, probs and state value, if you need that your values changing again and again inside the use effect, you can use prob and state also. Okay, so this is a simple thing in a use effect. There is a very important interview question, you can prepare it. So see this example, we don't need to pass inside the empty array line number 14. So the code is rendering every time, just like I have rendered 17 18 times. So you need to stop this code every time rendered. You just write empty array, okay, line number 14, pass an argument. So if you refresh this page, the code is rendering only one time, as you can see, that is okay. So your code is stopped after the one rendering. If you remove this empty array, your code is rendering every 1 second. As you can see, we pass the use effect inside, we use set timeout. So your code is rendering every time, as you can see the result. Okay, so this is a very basic result you can use in interview. Okay, so as you can see, the very simple code, we check the rendering or not every time. Okay,